5 women stood outside a locked door, knocking, calling out, desperate. They had been invited to the wedding. They knew the bridegroom was coming. They just weren't ready when he arrived. The other 5 had been ready. They carried enough oil. They waited through the dark. And when the call came at midnight, they were the ones who walked inside. The door closed, and then the knocking started. Lord, Lord, open to us. The voice from inside was calm, not angry, not sorry, just final. I do not know you. That was it. No second chance, no side door, no mercy offered at the last moment. This is the only parable Jesus told that ends this way. The door stays closed. The story just stops. And here is the question that has haunted people for 2,000 years. Could they have been ready? They had the same invitation, the same warning, the same night. The silence after that question is the entire point.